Anshul from St. Stephen's College. What do you think is the solution of ego and envy in how we tackle it in daily lives?
Ego and envy. Yes.
What? Ego?
Ego and envy.
Envy.
In
Yes.
daily life, how do we conquer that?
So my question is related to him.
Wait. If we have sufficient knowledge, what usefulness about envy? No useful. Harm. Envy, too much. You lose your sleep. You lose your appetite. What benefit? And your envy never harm that person. If you really want to hit that person without emotion, study, analyze what is their weak point, then hit on that weak point. That's the proper way. Too much anger, envy, destroy your the intelligence which can objectively look the reality. So thinking this line, then all these destructive emotions are really useless. It is part of our mind, part of our emotion, but useless. So that way. And anger, envy will not go away through prayer. I am Buddhist. If pray to Buddha, please purify my mind. Now I think nearly 77-year-old. So several decades I pray to Buddha. It never go away. So only through my own practice, my own analytical meditation, what use envy, anger, fear? I realize no use. Just to destroy my own peace of mind. Never harm the person whom we feel little negative thing. Like that. So these emotions, destructive emotions, are really self-destruction. Like that. Ego, there are two kinds of ego. Ego, in the sense, strong sense of strong self. That kind of ego is necessary in order to build determination, in order to build infinite altruism. You have to crush your self-centered attitude. In order to crush that, you need self-confidence. For that, you need sense of strong self. But another kind of ego, self-centered. Think just selfish way. Think of yourself. No hesitate. Exploit other. Harm other. That kind of ego is negative. So the first positive ego very much because of the link with wisdom. Human wisdom. Animal cannot do that. Only we, human beings, can do that. The second type of harmful ego is even animal also have that. Mainly biological factor. But we, human beings, with the help of intelligence, marvelous human intelligence, we can change certain emotion due to biological factor can change. That's, I think, greatness of human being. I really feel that. Yes, next question.
Namaskar. His Holiness, youth in India has a lot of power and enthusiasm, but sometimes we are not supported by the system. Can you please help and guide us so that we cannot disrespect the system and still achieve our goal? And also, His Holiness, sometimes heart and mind differs in views. How to connect it? How to get through our goals? Thank you.
Kasa. What?
The second question is sometimes the heart says something and the mind says something else. The heart says something, the mind says something else. So how do we bring those in harmony? which means one part of the mind says
Yes.
something, another part of the mind, conscious says something.
Yes. Emotion, there are two types of emotions, or two categories of emotions. According my discussion with late Verala, we agree even Buddha's mind, there are emotions. Like infinite compassion is also kind of emotion. So emotion, there are two types. One emotion, not a biological factor, but due to effort, due to reasoning, and familiarize. Generally, these kind of emotions are positive. Never go against warm-heartedness and that sort of emotion through use human intelligence, reasons. That always go very well. Then another sort of category of emotion, mainly biological, no reason. So there, the intelligence usually sees some reasons. So intelligence and that heart emotion sometimes go
Incompatibility.
contradict. Yes, like that. Next question.